Hello everybody, and this is Electric Elevators with the newest upgrade to the system of the wall demo. So, we got our new devices set up. Well, not new devices. We have old devices and new devices. And I want to personally thank all of you for 100 subscribers, and this will be the special for it. And we're going to do a system test. Now, you guys may be wondering, how is this an upgrade? I wonder where this goes to. An i3. I wonder where that goes to. A system sensor spectral alert advanced, and the second notification box. But how did we even get here? Well, I'll show you a few unboxings and a montage of putting all this together. That's right, I got a System Sensor 2WB smoke detector. i3 series. i3 2WB smoke detector. You can't see the features because the barcode is blocking it. So this is made by the company System. Hey, Abbey, what are you doing? Ferret's being crazy. Get in there. Okay. Alright, sorry about that. A little interruption. So anyway, oh, here you can see the features. Photoelectric. Pre-wiring. Smoothing algorithms. Removable detector cover and chamber for easy cleaning. Oh, okay, I see. Installation base. Intelligent. Oh, wait, I'm sorry. Installation ease. Intelligence. Instant inspection. System Sensor 2WB, 2-wire plug-in, photoelectric wire-based stop at Abbey. She wants to be here for this 100 subscriber. Okay, fine. You could be here for the 100 subscriber special. Hi, Abbey. Alright, anyway. Let's unbox this and see what it looks like. And there it is. Wow, this looks really cool. And here's the base. 2-wire, oh, it says positive, negative, RA positive, RA negative. So that's pretty cool. I don't know. I have to figure out what RA stands for, but positive. So there's 2 positive terminals and RA positive, and 2 negative terminals. Well, 1 RA negative. That's the base itself. And I think this is where you mount it. Yep. See, there's like little holes, and here is the detector itself. So you can see this is where it like detaches. I have to figure out how it comes out. You can see the sensor right in there. Turn the flashlight so you actually see inside of it. There's a green and a red LED and a test button, which you could only push with a screwdriver, which I'll be demonstrating later in this video. And here is the pamphlet you get when you get this detector itself. And here is everything that came in this first box. I'll get the other boxes that will be coming in the next clip you're about to see. Okay, it's the next day. What do we have here? We have the bracket for the i3. Well, it's just a round bracket, which I'll be unboxing later. And some other, some more Legrand items. And we got not 1, but 2 cord cover kits. Each of them are about a yard. So, that's everything that came in the second box. Alright, day 3. Now, what I got in my next package was this. It's a First Alert SA511B. You've already seen it, so let's just go straight to day 4. Alright, let's get started on this project. Alright, so that adapter over there, we are going to have to change it because when we tested it, it did not draw much power for the smoke detector up there. So we have to change the adapter and see if it works. And we'll see if it works on day 6. And before I show you the final product, I just wanted to let you know that I put the first flirt smoke alarm somewhere else, and I'll show you where it is in a second. And it is now like day 6 or 7 or something like that. And we have our favorite ferret in the whole wide world right here to celebrate this 100 sub special. Hey Abbey, you're so cute. You're so cute. But here's the big surprise you've all been waiting for. The newly updated, upgraded fire alarm system. And I put the first alert somewhere else. You see how the first alert in there. I'm not going to be demonstrating the first alerts in this video because I've shown them before. Okay. I'll put that back on later. So we'll show you all the devices. So we have right here the adapter. We changed the 12 volt to an 18 volt. And it works a lot better. We have the kitty carbon monoxide alarm, of course. Going on up, we have the FireLite right there. The FireLite BG-12, just a standard BG-12. Closed. Okay, closed, please. You have the FireLite BG-12. Leave that up there. Going on up is the System Sensor Spectral Alert Classic Horn Strobe set on code 3. And then here's the wire connectors. Oh god, that's not in all the way. Behind the Legends of Air Conditioner with another cap by the light, we have the System Sensor i32WB smoke detector, which you can see is flashing. And then over here, we have another System Sensor product. We have the System Sensor Spectral Alert Advanced P2R Horn Strobe. And then we have the First Alert SA511Bs, the one in my closet and the one on the wall. So, we'll test out both devices. And I'm going to try to make this quick because it's basically 9:51. So anyway, let's go ahead and pull this. 3, 2, 1. My goodness, that is blaring loud. I feel like that just got louder than usual. Anyway, let's close this. There you go. That was the BG-12. And then there's the System Sensor Advanced. Right up there. And then we'll go straight to the to flash both LEDs. Now we'll go to the i3. Okay, I stick this on. I just turned it off. You can just flip the switch. And that is what you guys call Spectral Alert fireworks. So again, Spectacular Classic Horn Strobe. I believe the model is P241575, but I'm not sure though. I'm possibly wrong. There's the i3 and the System Sensor Advanced. So now that we got all this to work, be ready for future system tests. And there goes my key. Be ready for future system tests of this new setup. Hope you all enjoyed, and again, thank you so much for 100 subscribers. And that will be it. But before we end it, whenever I'm done, when you probably see my other videos, you'll probably see the dust cover on. I put that on when we're done because this room is really dusty. Okay, let me just lock this. Okay, I am, okay. Hope y'all enjoyed this premiere special, and that will be it.